Hello, everyone. Good day. Thank you for joining us today, our dear parents and guardians. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Miss Sophia Lauren T. Marata, so you can call me Miss Pia. I am one of the client support officers from Quipper Philippines Incorporated, and I am excited to welcome you to our parents' orientation for this school year. Today, we'll be discussing how we can work together in supporting your children's education using Quipper. And this orientation will cover three important topics: the shift from the old normal to the new normal in education, how you can support your children in this digital learning setup, and finally, how Quipper can give your children the edge they need to succeed. Let's first talk about the old normal versus the new normal. As we all know, education has drastically changed. Gone are the days when students only use books and notebooks. Now, education is more digital and flexible, something we all had to adapt to quickly. I have here the first picture. What have you observed, my dear parents and guardians? As you can see here, ito yung mga laro that we used to play before or nung time natin. How about this one? As you notice, here naman po, ito naman po yung ngayon. The generation today is they entertain themselves through the use of their gadgets. Hindi naman po talaga totally masama yung paggamit ng gadget. If we properly guide the students or our children how to properly use it. Supporting your children at home is more important than ever. With digital learning, they now need not just pens and paper but also reliable gadgets like tablets, laptops, or even smartphones to access learning materials online. Now, the challenge is how to support them amidst the challenges they face when using it. Again, as I said, my dear parents and guardians, you need to guide them, and if there's a need for a certain limitation, you can set a time limit to them. Now, what's the outcome if we let the students explore the technology and use it in their learning? There's a big chance that they will become globally competitive individuals. We know that this is just a preparation for them before they will go to the real world. For example, if they want to apply a certain work, they will meet the qualification standards and become competitive employee. Tracking their progress is also key. As parents, it's important to stay involved by checking their assignments, guiding them on deadlines, and encouraging consistent study habits. We don't just also think of the school, the teachers, and the students, but also we think of you. We know that we are very hardworking just to provide the need and want of our children. In other words, we are so busy striving. To make it easier to you, our dear parents and guardians, here at Quipper, we have what we call the Quipper Parents Portal. So later, we're going to explore this one and try to navigate it. Creating a strong support team around your children is vital. This team includes you as a family, their teachers, and school staff, and of course, us at Quipper as your technology partner. Together, we can make sure your child is equipped for success. Now, let's talk about how to give them the edge. Quipper provides your children with well structured learning content and assessments. But to access these resources, a minimal internet speed is needed to ensure smooth usage of the platform. So this is the minimum technical requirements. It doesn't mean that we use Creeper, we need updated gadget. It is up to you, my dear parents and guardians, if you want to upgrade. But then again, note that this is based on minimum technical requirements of Zoom application, which also applies to our platform. These are the devices launched since 2011 or 2012 pa. Now let's check the things or materials you will get in the platform if the teacher will send. Note that it will depend on the teachers. First is the study guide. Clipper study guides cover each topic in brief. These guides include visuals, examples, and exercises that make it easier for students to understand the lesson and complete the performance task. On the right side also is the sample of the lesson slides. It looks the same as a PowerPoint presentation that the teachers present in the class. Lesson slides, on the other hand, summarize the key points, highlight important concepts, and provide sample exercises. This helps students review topics quickly and efficiently. Weaver also provides regular assessments, like the 10 items after every topic, with questions of increasing difficulty. This helps gauge your students' understanding and retention of lessons. Now, if we are worried about the cheating because we use digital learning, no worries, our dear parents and guardians, because we have this update. This year, we finally launched our one of the new features in Clipper, which is the cheating detector features. So while answering the certain exam or quizzes, the teacher can detect the student who opened different sites and use more than one device. But this one is if the teacher enabled the feature. I believe before we start, the teacher will set a policy or rule and announce that the feature was enabled. Now let's go here to the parents portal. Let's get started by creating your own parents account. Alright, so using your smartphone or computer, open any browser. You can use any of these following browsers available in your device. Again, what's good here is you can monitor the progress and performance of your students and their class. Go to this site, parent.quiper.com. Again, you need to go to this site, parent.quiper.com. You should be directed in the login page of the parents portal. So to create your own account, select, click here to sign up. Again, select, click here to sign up. You need to fill out the necessary details. You need to complete all the details such as the first name, last name, username, email address, and password. If you don't have any email address, you can use the email address of your child or children. Okay? And for the password is you need to create one. Remember, you should be using a valid email address. So once done, select create account. Once you created your parents portal or parents account, make sure to write down your username, password, and also the email address in your notebook or your cell phone so that you won't forget your login details. After logging in, the first thing you will see in the home page of the parents portal is this one. So in order to see the child's performance, okay, so you need to type the username, the Quipper username, and then the password. Okay. Again, in order for you to see your child's performance, you need to type the Quipper username of your child and password. You can ask this one to your advisor or to your advisor. Then select add child if you have more than one uh, child enrolled in the school. For the next part, we will sign in to the parents portal. So using the account that you created earlier. The first thing that you'll see is the last login date. This one. This is where you will see when was the last time your child opened or accessed his or her Clipper account. This is also the 30-day overview of your child's performance in Clipper. So let's go through it one by one. So we have here the average submission rate. It tells you that your child's performance in submitting his or her assignment. So that's where you will know if your child was able to submit all his or her assignment. So this should always be at 100%, this one. Next is the average score. This tells you the grade point average of your child's performance in the assignment that he or she submitted in Clipper. So, paano po ba ang computation niyan? So, first time score of all the assignments divided by the total number of assignments. The passing grade po will still depend on the teacher. So, this one, okay. So, this grade, hindi po ito yung magre-reflect sa card. Okay? Last part is the mastered topics rate. It tells you the percentage of the assignment that your child mastered where he or she got a perfect score without considering the number of attempts. Another feature of the Parents Portal is the active assignment. This is where you will see the assignment that your child hasn't submitted yet. And the last part po is the active assignments. On the left part of the active assignment shows when the assignments are due. The middle part shows the title of the assignment, and the rightmost part tells you the number of topics your child needs to complete. We also recognize students who excel through the Clipper Top Students Award. So every quarter, we awarded a certain student. So students are awarded based on their criteria like completion, scores, and consistency. So we have here topics completed 40%, topics mastered 20%, average first attempt score is 40%. Your encouragement and involvement can help them get there, my dear parents and guardians. So before I end my presentation, I would like to leave you a quotation from Jane D. Hall. It says, at the end of the day, the most overwhelming key to child success is the positive involvement of parents. And I also believe that it is one of the best ways to create a positive learning environment for every children. So that would be all, my dear parents and guardians. Thank you for your attention and support. We look forward for working closely with you this school year and welcome again to Clipper. Thank you so much.